basically this is our CIS group, a couple of people from the CIS group that studied abroad in Rome, spring of 2024. And we're just gonna ask a few questions.
You guys have like a favorite professor or class that you took while you were there?
I think all the professors were very understanding, at least at AUR, that like a lot of us are study abroad students and are focused on the schoolwork, yes, but like are also there for like the experience.
My favorite class and professor, it was my food and culture class that I took. I remember we had projects where like you had to pick a different part of Italy and like write about like the food and the cuisine there, or you pick the cuisine and you learn about it. And we also had like a bunch of field trips in that class where we would do like wine tasting and like all that stuff.
I had a professor named Bruno Montefusco, and he was my Italian fashion professor, and that class was so fun. Something cool about the classes there is you really kind of connect with the local community, and you connect with, you know, all the cultural aspects that are part of Rome and that are all around you and where you're living. But I also really liked my poetry class and my poetry professor because that wasn't like Italian specific, but there was still a lot of connection to Rome and things we got to see, like the John Keats Museum and things like that.
My favorite class was Italian, because I just found it so useful that we actually got to learn the language of the area that we were in. Like by the end, I felt like I could definitely get around and have people at least understand what I'm saying, even if I'm not saying it correctly, which was definitely helpful.